Alrighty.
Alright, we'll take a ride before the guy comes back.
Yeah, it's a Dover. I want to press one of these.
Dover.
No, I got bumpers, right? Instant
Let's
door
go to
pulls.
free.
Okay. See, I told you Austin is a friendly place.
Yeah.
Indeed it is.
This is amazing.
1960's Dover.
Yeah, let me press.
I'm sorry, my finger was there.
That's fine.
Alrighty.
It's a Dover. It's not Notice. I know those are confusing because people think Otis black buttons say Dover on them.
And I've got a Dover sign just like this one here.
Yep, it's identical.
It's got Dover Help Link.
Want to take another ride or?
Stephen and Caleb.
And Nicholas.
Takes 2 people to press that 3.
Nah, it was just incidental. Coincidental. All I can say is the Steens, they know how to do their building very well.
Yes.
Yeah, the people here are so nice. I mean, usually we're not showing them. Usually people don't just say, "Do you want to see the machine room?"
Right.
Oh, hold on, y'all.
Okay.
I think I have.
Thank you.
All right, this is a beautiful elevator.
So in the late 60s,
Old Dover.
you don't see many of these anymore.
Yeah, most buildings that go in, people don't just say, "You want to see the machine room?" But yeah, look at these Dover black buttons. Those aren't common.
All right, let's see if I've got the right key.
Okay.
If not, this is it up here. Oh, elevator guys.
Okay.
All right, John. Hold on. I'm gonna film y'all looking at the thing. So
Okay.
I saw y'all's video that y'all posted. I think it was you posted.
That's right. I was the first one to film it around 11 years ago.
Is that what it was? 11 years ago? Is that what it was?
That's right.
Oh, wow.
So, this is a convalidation.
Uh-oh.
Shall we set it up?
There's the telephone equipment
Let's set it up.
and a small but motor but big power unit.
Dover relays.
Nice.
Y'all can go in there.
Okay.
Just being careful.
Yeah, just go.
Peace and crap, someone in charge of this.
Alright. Over.
This is amazing.
So, where do y'all go? All over? Or just in Austin? Or?
So, me and Nicholas, we are based out of Austin,
Uh-huh.
and then he's from Dallas.
Yeah, I'm only visiting to see elevators.
Oh, cool. Well, you know, everybody's got their thing, right?
We all got their thing. This is Austin. It's a wonderful city, and you know I enjoy living here.
It's got the old Dover tags for preventative maintenance.
There's the valve,
It
pump,
was
and motor.
refurbished, oh gosh, I don't know, 10 years ago maybe?
Wow.
Completely, I mean, overhauled.
Well, it's good to see
Probably the
key
best thing
buttons.
about this building is the elevator.
It is indeed, especially for a building this old. I don't see much in areas where I lived in. I lived in Asia before moving back here. You know, so
1969.
It's a Bendover, apparently.
Installed
Bendover.
in 69, so this elevator is 50 years old.
And it's still going. And probably isn't going to stop anytime soon.
Now,
Alright, let me get a picture of the data tag that it has on it. As you can see.
So where else are y'all gonna go today?
we don't know yet.
And just go explore old buildings and stuff?
yes.
Yeah.
Well, you know, this building is for sale, so this may not be here for very long.
Do you think it might get modernized or demolished?
Well, the land is worth here. The land is worth probably about 8 times what the building is worth.
But they might take down this building or something like it.
They might.
Oh no.
If it were me, I would take it down to the frames. It's got a steel frame and leave the elevator.
Yeah, but if they take down the elevator, you can ask. We could leave our contact info.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we could get maybe some of the old parts.
Parts and stuff, souvenirs.
Yes.
Yeah, we might. All right, I think. I don't know if it's just me or I'm ready to step out here.
Well, it's been a great ride, and that'll be it.